What if I told you that your dropshipping business is doomed to fail if you don't avoid these 10 deadly mistakes? Yeah, I said doomed. But hey, don't freak out just yet. I'm Jam, and welcome back to Digital Hustlers Club, where we help you turn your side hustle dreams into reality without the nightmares. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you something. Are you the type to jump into things head first and figure it out later? Maybe you're thinking, how hard could dropshipping be? Well, buckle up, because it's not as easy as slapping products on a website and waiting for the cash to roll in. Nope. There's more to it, and if you're making these mistakes, you might be chasing your tail rather than profits. Mistake number 1, drum roll please, choosing the wrong niche. Oh, I get it. You see a shiny product that's hot right now, and you're thinking, this is it. I'm gonna be rich. But hold on. Are you sure it's the right fit for you? Are you passionate about it? Or are you just chasing trends? Spoiler alert, trends die, but niches that you actually care about, they last. Second mistake, thinking customers will just magically find you. I mean, who needs marketing, right? Wrong. You need to get out there, hustle, and put your products in front of people. Just because you built it doesn't mean they'll come. This isn't Field of Dreams, it's drop shipping. And let's not forget mistake number 3, ignoring customer service. Yeah, I said it. If you think you can just hide behind your screen and not deal with customers, think again. Bad reviews? They spread like wildfire, and good luck coming back from that. Mistake number 4, poor supplier relationships. You're only as good as the products you deliver, and if your supplier is slacking, guess who takes the blame? Yep, you. So, choose your suppliers like you'd choose a business partner. Wisely. 5th mistake, underpricing your products. Listen, I get it. You want to beat the competition, but if you're barely making a profit, what's the point? You're running a business, not a charity. Mistake number 6, lack of automation. Are you still manually tracking orders, managing inventory, and sending out emails? Why? We live in the 21st century. Automation tools are your best friends. Let them do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your business. Number 7, failing to test your products. Imagine this. You've launched a product, but it's a flop. Why? Because you didn't bother to test it out before selling it. Always, and I mean always, test your products. Save yourself the embarrassment. 8th mistake, ignoring data. If you're not tracking your metrics, you're flying blind. How do you know what's working and what's not? Trust me, data is your new best friend. Treat it well. Mistake number 9, overloading your store with too many products. Are you trying to be the Amazon of dropshipping? Keep it simple. A focused store with a few great products is way better than a chaotic one with a million options. And finally, mistake number 10, giving up too soon. Look, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. So, if you're ready to throw in the towel after a month, you might as well not start. So, there you have it. 10 mistakes that could sink your dropshipping ship before it even leaves the harbor. But here's the thing. You don't have to make these mistakes. Learn from others, stay sharp, and most importantly, keep hustling. Got any side money hustles you want to share? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, like a full course on digital marketing from basic to advanced, let me know in the comments. Who knows, your suggestion might just be the next big thing on Digital Hustlers Club. All right, hustlers, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and I'll catch you in the next one.